In this video, we're going to have a look at performing calculations with fractions where we've got mixed numbers and we're trying to subtract. Now, when we're subtracting fractions and we have mixed numbers, we need to start by writing these as improper fractions. So to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, we multiply the big number by the denominator and then we add the numerator. So for the 5 1/5, I'm going to do the 5 multiplied by the 5, which is 25, and then I'm going to add my 1. And this gives me 26, and my denominator stays as 5. So now I'm going to do the same with my 3 1/4. So I'm going to do the 3 times the 4, which is 12, and then I'm going to add 1, which is 13. And my denominator is going to stay as 4. So now I've got improper fractions, I need to find a common denominator. So what I'm looking for is a multiple of 5 and 4. It's easiest if you can find the lowest common multiple, but that's not always the easiest thing to do. In this case, I'm going to use 20 because 20 is in both the 4 and the 5 times table. So for my first fraction, to get 20 on the denominator, I've multiplied by 4. So I'm going to do the same on the numerator. So I'm going to do 26 times 4. And this is going to give me 104. And then for my second fraction, to get my denominator of 20, I have multiplied by 5. So I'm going to do 13 times 5 is 65. Now I have the same denominators, I can subtract my numerators. So I'm going to do 104, subtract the 65, and this is going to give me 39, and my denominator is going to stay the same. Now finally, I want to convert back to a mixed number because that's what the original question was in. So to find my big number, I'm going to say, well, how many 20s go into 39? Well, in this case, it's just 1. And what remains after I've taken my 20 away is 19. So this gives me an answer of 1 and 19 over 20. Now it's always worth checking that fractional part. Make sure your fraction is as simplified as it can be. But once you've got that simplified answer, there is your final work.